Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn alphabet A to Z. Students, today we are going to do capital letters from A to Z. But before starting written part, first we are going to revise all the letters along with the pictures. Okay, tell me which letter is this? A. A says a. Apple. This is letter B. B says b. Ball. This is letter C. C says cap. This is letter D. D says dog. Now this is letter E. E says and elephant. F says F for fish. G says guava. H says her hen. I says ink pot. J says jug. K says key. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says owl. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rose. S says sun. T says tomato. U says umbrella. V says vase. W says watch. X says X-ray. Y says yak. Z says zebra. I hope you have understood how to write down, how to read the pictures. Right, now come to the written part. From where we are to write down? From letter A to Z. Okay. So first which letter will come first? A. So we are going to write down A here. Slant line. One more slant line and sleeping line. Letter A. Now letter B. Standing line. Keep pencil on the dot, make a curve and make little bit big curve, and till third line you are to come. Okay. Now what will come next? Letter C. Start from under the line, go up, make a curve, touch the third line and go up. Letter C. Now letter D. Standing line. Keep pencil on the dot, make a curve. You have to take care of one thing, that you are not to cross this line, third line. First, second and third. Don't cross this line, okay? Otherwise your formation will be wrong. Now start again. A, B, C, D. Next, what will come? Letter E. So we will write letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line and sleeping line. Letter E. Next, letter F. Standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. Only two sleeping lines. In letter E, three sleeping lines are coming, and in letter F, two sleeping lines are coming. Now what will come next? Letter G. So as we have made letter C, in the same manner we are to make letter G also. We are to start from under the line, go up, make a curve and go up till second line. Go sleeping line inside, go back and come down like this. Now which is the next letter? H. Letter H. Standing line, sleeping line and one more standing line like this. Letter H. Now let's come to the next part. What comes after H? After H comes letter I. So we will write down letter I. It's very simple, just only a standing line, okay? Now what will come next? Letter J. So we will write down letter J. Standing line and touch it here and curve. As I have told you earlier, when letter J was going on, that you are not to touch this line up. Okay, you have to be very careful when we are making curve. You are not to touch it on the line. Now next letter is letter K. So standing line, and from here in between these two lines, second line, we are to start from here and bring it here like this. Okay, now from here bring stand line like this. Letter K. What comes after K? Letter L. So write down letter L. Standing line and sleeping line. Now let's revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And what will come next? Letter M. So we will write down letter M here. Standing line, slant line downward, slant line upward and standing line. Okay, as I have told you earlier that you are not to cross the third line. So whenever you are making letters, you will not cross this line here. Okay, now what comes after M? Letter N. So we are going to write down letter N here. Standing line, stop here. Okay, slant line and go up. Letter N. And after N, letter O. So we will write down O here. Go up, make a curve as we have made letter C. Now we are to join it here. O. And what comes after O? Look here. M, N, O, P. So M, N, O, P. Standing line and make a curve like this. Okay, now what will come after P? Let's see. Start M, N, O, P. This line is done. M, N, O, P. Now what will come after P? Letter Q. So start from here. As we have made letter O, we are to start from under the line. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the third line and join it here. In this way we have made letter O, and from here make a slant line outside. Okay, you are not to start this slant line from this second line. It will come in between these two lines and bring it out till here. What comes after Q? R. So we are going to write down R here. Standing line, make a curve. Look, as we have made letter P, in the same manner we have to make letter R also, and one slant line like this. Okay, after R, letter S. So how to make? Start from under the line, go up, touch the red line, turn it here, cross, touch it here and curve like this. Letter S. Now what comes after S? Letter T. It's very simple to make. First we are to make sleeping line and then we are to make standing line. Letter T. Now what comes after T? This line is done. Q, R, S, T. Now we will make letter U. Start from here. Make standing line. Come down. Make a curve. Touch the third line. Go up in a standing position and stop here. You are not to go up. You are not to cross this line and nor you are to cross this line. Okay. Now what comes after U? After U, V, letter V. So we are going to write down letter V here. Slant line and one more slant line in upward direction. After U, letter W, V, W. So U, V, W. How to make letter W? First we are to make slant line, then go up in a slant position, come down, slant, and go up in a slant position. Letter W. And U, V, W, X. How to write down X? Start from here. Slant line. Okay. And one more slant line like this. You have to take care of this thing. One thing, that it should cross here on the same line, second line. Sometimes what the students are doing, they are crossing like this. This is not meeting here on this line, so it will be wrong. So we will erase this one because it is wrong. And what comes after X? X, Y. So we will write down letter Y here. How to make letter Y? Small slant line till the second line. First, second, third. This is second line. Till here we are to bring slant line. And start from here one more slant line like this. Letter Y. And this is letter Z. Y and Z. Make letter Z here. Sleeping line, slant line, and one more sleeping line. So our capital A to Z is complete. I hope you have understood how to make letters accordingly. If you have any problem, you may contact me anytime. That's all from my side today. Bye-bye.